Hey, welcome to my Pinnacle horizontal template. This is Ben with Shirk Photography. I want to give you a brief glimpse into what this can do. This has some awesome marquees up and below that you can edit to fit your team. This upper marquee could list the goals for the season. It could have your team motto. You can even list your sponsors across there just like it would in a normal arena. You can easily change these colors. And there are some awesome sports elements in the background. For example, if I open this up, you'll see that there's a wrestling option for some scoreboards, basketball hoops, volleyball net, football. But the great thing is that you don't have to use those at all. This can still be any sport you want to. This could easily work for hockey. It could easily work for lacrosse, band, any team that basically competes or goes to an arena for their events. Here's a football team. It can easily fit a small team, or there's options to add a second layer and include even more subjects within this. There are a bunch of different layers, but there's a full tutorial that'll walk you through all the steps of using these layers and how to modify it to fit your team. The text at the bottom here is actually a smart objects. Just a heads up, you can easily edit that, and it shows within the tutorial to double click on this little icon. It opens up, and I can type in whatever else I want. For example, baseball. Save it, and it updates within the template. I've also included standard text in case you don't want to use the smart objects. So there's a couple different easy options for you to edit text within this template. One other thing I want to point out is that you can keep it nice and classic with a kind of black and white background with pops of color for the team here, or you can make it super vibrant by changing the background color to something more intense. This is an epic template, and I'm sure your subjects are going to love it.